Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we want to look at completing of the square. So the question reads, this is the question here. Express negative 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 in the form of ax plus b to the raising power of 2 plus q by first clear stating the coordinates of the minimum point and intercept. Sketch the curve of y is equal to negative negative 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. So now we are taught to find the coordinates of minimum point and intercept. So once you are taught to find the coordinates of the minimum point, meaning you are asked to find the y coordinate of the turning point, then the intercepts, this is when the y axis is equal to 0. So let's get started. So I'll use this paper. So we are saying completing the square method. We are taught that we need to express negative 2x raising power of 2 minus 3x minus 1 in the form of ax plus b raising power of 2 plus q. So the solution to this problem, negative 2x squared minus 3x minus 1, like that. You're going to divide or to factor out the a value between the two. In this case, the a value is negative 2x is in power of 2 plus 3 over 2x minus 1. So here we are going to say negative 2x squared plus 3 over 2x. You find the half of this one. Find the half of this one. The half of this one is plus. What is the half of? So you need to find the half. So what is the half of this one? What is the half of 3 over 2? The half of 3 over 2 is 6 over 2. Then you close minus 1. Finding the half of this one. Sorry. So the half of this one is supposed to be 3 over 4. Yeah, it's 3 over 4. So there's 3 here, negative 1. Then from there, you say negative 2. You get this one, x. Then you get the sign there, it's a plus. Then you get this 3 over 4. So you get the 3 over 4 3 over 4, then you get the square, then minus 1. So that's the answer. That's the answer. Right. So meaning, what does that mean? Meaning the a value, like they said, you should put it in this form. So meaning the a value in this case is -2. The p value is -1 over 4. Sorry, 3 over 4. Then the q value is -1. Now the same question was asking us to find the minimum. Then they were told to find the minimum point and intercept as well as sketching. Okay, sketching the curve. There we go. Sketching the curve of y is equal to -2x squared minus 3x minus 1. Let's get started. So we know that from this equation we can pick where is the minimum point. But you can say y is equal to 4ac minus b squared over 4a, where we know our a is -2, our c is -1, our b is -3. So by replacing, so it becomes like so. Minus so this one becomes 8 minus 9 over -8. The answer is y is equal to 1 over 8. So this is the minimum point. That's the minimum point. So that's the minimum point. There we go. Then we were told, okay, so we also were told to find the intercept of y is equal to -2x squared minus 3x minus 1. So in this case, we should find the x-intercept. The x-intercept when y is equal to 0. So -2x squared minus 3x minus 1. Okay. So now here you can factor out the two. We know that this is the product. Find two numbers. When you multiply them, give you +2. Then when you add them, should give you -3. So the answer is -2, -1. Because this times this one is 2, then this plus that one is -3. So we come again to x squared minus 2x minus 1 minus 1. So this is x. So -2x squared minus +2, -1x here, so this one plus 1. So the answer is -2 minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then when you find the value of x here, what is giving us is giving us x is equal to 1 over 2. then we have x is equal to 1. So meaning this is the intercept of x. So the coordinates are in the x-axis. We have 1 over 2, comma 0. Remember the y value is 0. This is negative 1, comma 0. So this is the x-intercept. This is the x. The x-intercepts are these two. Then these are the coordinates of the x-intercept. These are the coordinates of the x-intercept. How do you find the y-intercept? X is equal to 0. So y is equal to negative 2x squared minus, from the equation, minus 3x minus 1. Y is equal to negative 1. All these are zeros. So meaning the coordinates are 0, negative 1. Let's sketch the graph. Let's sketch the graph. There it comes. We have 1 there, take it 1, then half somewhere here. This is half. So let's take it as 1, negative 1 there. Let's take it as negative 1 there. Remember the coordinates of the turning points? We can pick from here. So the coordinates of the turning point is what? So the coordinates of the turning points, remember we found the y value. The y value was y is equal to 1 over 8. When you talk of the turning point, the y value was 1 over 8. Then the x value is, the x value from the equation, to give us 1 over negative 3. How possible is that? Very possible. To give us 1 over, because remember x is equal to negative 1a over 2b. So what is the a value? Sorry, it is b over negative 2a. What is our b value? Our b value is negative 3. Our a value, so this one becomes positive 4. So the answer there is negative 3 over 4, which is a proof. Let's check here. This is the one here. So when it is having a positive, you multiply times the negative like that. Okay. It is very correct. So the turning point is negative 3 over 4. Negative 3 over 4, comma 1 over 8, somewhere there. Negative 3. Negative 3 over 4. Sorry, is somewhere here, because this is 1 here. So it is negative 3 here somewhere, negative 3 somewhere here. Then it's somewhere there, which is 1 over 8. Remember that the a value is a negative, so meaning it will be a flown. Okay, so we continue. Just so there was a disruption which I had on my system. So x is equal to negative 3 over 4, then y is equal to 1 over 8. Then it has to pass through this one. Okay, let's go. So this is too much. Let it be somewhere here. Okay, then the negative somewhere there. Negative 1. Then they just say sketch, not to scale, but we want to draw it to scale. Okay, but we're just sketching because it was not, this equation was not to scale, but this is how it's supposed to be. So y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. So if you found this video so important and useful, please subscribe, hit on the like button and also on the bell button for more updates. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.